Today we're going to make some pork carnitas. These taste great whether in a burrito or a taco. So let's go! Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low-carb food. Please like and subscribe and I'll bring you new videos every week. So here we're using pork shoulder. Now this is a 10-pound bone-in pork shoulder roast. We're only going to use about half of it. So about 4 pounds minus the bone. The other half I will use in my barbecue pork video, and I'll put links to that below. Here we'll trim off a little bit of the excess fat and then cut into equal pieces that'll fit inside an Instant Pot. Here I'm cutting to about 2-inch size pieces. These can now go into the Instant Pot, and it's okay to stuff them close together. You're looking for a single layer if at all possible. Into the Instant Pot we go. And now we add our seasoning. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. 2 tablespoons of dehydrated onion. A tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning for that herby flavor. 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne for a little heat. Sprinkle in about a teaspoon of ground cumin. And a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of lemon juice for that citrus. And finally, 2 cups of chicken stock. What would normally take a long time in a slow cooker or on the stove, we're going to do this in about an hour and a half in the Instant Pot. So twist on the lid, set it to seal, and pressure cook for 1 hour. After coming up to temperature, the pressure cook, and a natural release of 15 minutes, it's about 90 minutes later, and we have fully cooked carnitas. We'll transfer these fall apart pieces into a shallow glass tray. They're so fall apart that it's hard to pick them up. Using just 2 forks, we can pull the pieces apart and basically shred it up. Here we'll add back about 1.5 cups of the liquid gold that was in the Instant Pot. This not only provides moisture and flavor to the meat, it also prevents this from burning when we try to crisp up those tips. At this point, you can give it a taste and see if any additional seasoning is needed. Here I'm going to add a little bit more salt and a little bit more pepper. It smells so good and I really want to eat this, but we're going to do one more step. And that's to crisp those tips in the broiler. Setting the oven on broil, we'll put it in for just between 5 and 10 minutes until those tips become nice and crispy. Whoa, it smells amazing, and those tips are nicely browned. Let's dig in, shall we? First, I'm going to make a burrito using some low-carb tortillas. I have a video on reviewing different low-carb tortillas, for which I'll put a link below. So this is a very simple burrito with shredded cheese, the carnitas we just made, a little sour cream, and some guacamole. We'll just wrap this up and cut it in half. And there you go, an easy keto carnitas burrito. Time to give it a taste. Really good. Very nicely seasoned and flavored pork carnitas. Really, the pork is the star of this show. It is so moist and juicy, and the added sour cream and guacamole add to the creaminess for a very nice mouthfeel. Let me know in the comments below, what do you put on your carnitas? And do you like burritos or tacos? Speaking of tacos, here's a way to make a keto version of a carnitas taco. We're using a low-carb tortilla, a slightly smaller 6-inch diameter size, and we're going to use the back of a muffin pan to set the shells in so we can get that nice, crisp, pocket-shaped shell. We'll just dry these out in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes under 300-350 degrees. Here's our finished shell. It holds the shape of a pocket, and now we can add all the fixings. I start with some greens. I like some spring mix or some spinach. You can use lettuce or whatever you have. Of course, our beautiful carnitas. Next, some cheese. I always like to add some sour cream and guacamole, not only because they taste great, but it really ups the fat content when you're on a ketogenic diet. And there you have it, our carnitas taco. Good. So 2 ways to enjoy the star of our show, carnitas. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.